Hi everyone. This video will guide you to create Google Chrome theme online on Windows 11 and 10. You can add free themes in Google Chrome from the internet. Install a theme from the Chrome Store and click the theme you want to apply in your Chrome browser. Link for Install Theme browses this link. Click on the theme that you want to apply to your Chrome browser. Click on Add to Chrome from the top right corner. It will be automatically downloaded on your PC and applied in Google's Chrome browser. But if you want to create your theme, you need an online tool. In this article, we will guide you on creating a Google Chrome theme online. How to create Google Chrome theme online. Browse Chrome Theme Creator from your Chrome browser. You can see Basic, Images, Colors, and Pack tabs on the page. The changes will show the theme preview on the right side of the page. In the Basic tab, enter a name for your theme. Upload an image from your computer for the background of the Chrome browser. Once you have uploaded the background image for your Chrome browser, click Generate Colors. It will automatically match the color of the URL address bar according to your theme. You can also set the colors of different options for the Chrome browser from the Colors tab. Once you are selected changes, Preview will be available next to the Settings. Click the Pack tab. There are three options: Pack and Install, Pack and Download, and Pack and Download zip file. If you want to apply the created theme in the Chrome browser, click Pack and Install. The next option is Pack and Download. If you don't want to install it right now or share your theme with someone, you can use this option. The final option is Pack and Download zip file. It allows you to download the setup file for your Chrome browser in a zip file. To install the created theme right now, select Pack and Install. It will create a setup file for your Chrome browser, and the download will start automatically. It may give a warning, depending upon your Chrome settings. Click the Keep button. Finally, the setup file will automatically download with the extension CRX. Now, run the downloaded file to replace the Chrome theme. In addition to creating themes, you can also download various Chrome themes from the site. It is a fantastic online tool to personalize your Chrome browser appearance. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos directly into your YouTube inbox. Comment below if you like this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in next video.